Once you know that you have all of your clips in a folder on your desktop and you have opened Premiere and you have saved your project, then you also know that you can import your files to your project bin. So if I do a file import, I can go to that folder on my desktop and I'm going to do a Control A. I'm then going to deselect the Premiere file because obviously you can't import something into itself. And then I'm just going to click Open. And that brings everything into my project bin so I can see it. I'll show you again. You can either view it in thumbnails, and notice how when you hover over it, it gives you a kind of like a preview, a sneak peek of what's on that clip, okay? Or you can do it as a list. Either is fine, it just depends on what it is you want. Now, all of these are actually video clips, except for one thing, and that is a piece of music. So I'm actually going to go ahead and create a new bin and call it music. That way I keep everything organized. And I'm going to put this in that music bin. Okay, so all of my video clips are outside, and then I can even double click and it opens a new bin with just my music in it. And that's important if you have more than one sound effect that you want to go, or piece of music or audio that you want in your movie, you can keep it separate from there. And then finally, when you want something from the project bin, you can double click, you can control it in the source window, or you can drag it over to the timeline and work from it there.